Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
Okay, so it's the next morning, and next step was to put the gear change shaft through. That's where the gear lever goes on. It just slides straight through here, fairly simple. And then is to put the oil pump back. And the screws are there. That's the old gasket, which goes in the bin. I have a new gasket. This feels a bit thicker than the old one. Actually, I might sit. You can sit on there. And these are four mil with the hex Allen key. Just going to make sure that sits over there properly.
Silver machine.
And the top two were 5 mil.
On the tank and the sun's barely through.
Okay, torque wrench. This is set at 10 Newton meters.
I found the compression, waiting for the sign. Needle on the speedo is right in line. One heavy kick and the silence is gone. A waking giant at the break of the dawn. It It's not a scream, it's a low, steady drum. 500 cc's getting ready to run. And it goes dug, dug, dug down the road. Carrying the weight of
I'm thinking I'm going to put Loctite on all these too. So I will
up through the twisting and
loosen these up a bit,
leaving the city
just to be
and the worry.
on the safe side.
Yeah, the world fades out when the engine starts. Just the rhythm of the road and an iron heart.
Back with the oil resistant Loctite 243.
Second gear winding through the corkscrew bends, where the gray bitumen twists and ascends. Gum trees blurring like a ghost on the right. Lean into the corner, hold the line tight. There's a vibration rising up through the steel.
Actually wonder if this hasn't been apart before.
A living connection that you only can feel. No room for the past, no fear of the grave. Just the smell of the damp earth and the warmth of the day. They say peace is a quiet place, stillness and sleep. But mine's in the torque, pulling steady and deep. Every pop of the exhaust is a breath I exhale, chasing the white line, riding the rail. It's a moving meditation, a mechanical prayer, stripping the soul all the way down to and it goes dug, dug, dug down the road.
And double jet 10.
Past the chain of ponds where the water shines, leaving the city and my worry.
And then do the old crisscross.
Yeah, the world fades out when the engine starts. Just the rhythm of the road and an iron heart. Pulling into lobby fail, kill switch down. The silence is louder than the noise of the town. The ticking of the metal as it starts to cool. And then there's nothing like the ride on an old school mule.
Okay.